and from team N, motor 2. May I? Your Lordship, Article 25, Subclause 1 confers the right to freely profess, practice and propagate religion, but it is subject to reasonable restrictions. On the grounds of public order, morality and health, the condition contained in Article 25, Subclause 2 of the Constitution. Your Lordship, please refer page number 7 of the memorial. The fundamental rights are subjected to restrictions. It is clear that the right to a pollution-free environment comes with the ambit of right to life under Article 21. The word environment has a broad spectrum which brings within its ambit a hygienic atmosphere and ecological balance. The state in particular has a duty to forge in a policy to maintain an ecological balance and hygienic environment. Your Lordship, refer page number 10 kindly of the memorial. The case law which I have mentioned, MC Mehta versus Kamalnath, the Supreme Court had held that Article 48A, Article 51A, Subclause G have to be considered in the light of Article 21. Any disturbance on the environment elements, namely water, air and land, which are necessary for life, would be hazardous to life within the remaining of Article 21, meaning of Article 21. The Supreme Court held that in order to afford protection of life and to protect environment, in order to protect air, water and soil from pollution, the court through its various judgments has given effect to the right available to the citizen and other persons alike under Article 21 of the Constitution. Your Lordship, please refer Memorial 9, page number 9. Last para, a report of the government hospital in Brahmadesh reveals starting the shocking facts with the regards of the health hazard caused due to pollution in the Atma Shanti river, which is used largely for the purpose of consumption and agriculture. I have already submitted Annexure A. Kindly refer to Annexure A. Sorry? Sources, yeah, it is from the local authorities of the Brahmadesh. Local authorities of the Brahmadesh. Report by the government agency of Brahmadesh. It is the percentage-wise increase in population for the usage of water. Yeah, Your Lordship, the river is not only used for religious purpose, but also in one of the important lifeline of the state. Agriculture sector is dependent upon the river stream. Also, the water from the said river is consumed by the locals and also by the devotees. The animal and other living creatures are also depending upon this river. Your Lordship, kindly refer page number 11 of the memorial. The case law AP Pollution Board, Control Board versus Professor M.V. Naidu, the Supreme Court held that the basic insight of ecology is that all living things exist in interrelated systems. Nothing exists in isolation. The world system is web-like. To pluck one strand, it causes all to vibrate. Whatever happens to one part has ramifications for all the rest. Our actions are not individual but social. They reverberate throughout the whole ecosystem. Your Lordship, kindly refer Annexure B. I have already submitted. State rising number of pilgrims and serious health hazards. Here the number of pilgrims visiting Atma Shanti Ghat in last 3 years. Here not only the locals of the Brahmadesh but Hindus all over the world visit over here for offering to the god and goddess and to perform their last rituals of their dead loving ones. Your Lordship, kindly refer Annexure C, pollution level of the river last 3 years. The sources of these reports are the Control Board of Pollution Control Board of Brahmadesh. Reports related the pollution level of water since last 3 years of Atma Shanti river. In 2010, a committee report revealed that level of dissolved oxygen was found nil at some place. and at other places the dissolved oxygen was below the required level of neutral water. And the present report also states that it is in the same condition, that the water is dead, still it is not to be consumed by the locals and cannot be used for the agriculture sectors. The state has already allotted 10 crores rupees in 2010 for the cleaning of the river. The work is in progress. My Lordship, the petitioner has given an option to immerse their Asti in the holy river, which is very near to the Atma Shanti river. He has not been banned or restricted to immerse his. The state is not hurting any sentiment feelings of the petitioner. The nearby river Pavitra Nadi, which is mentioned in the fact, is also one of the holy river. Your Lordship, the last annexure which I have submitted, Annexure E, are the present latest photographs which shows the offerings of the.
It is not reliable.
Okay. Yeah. The offerings which are offered to the god and goddess, and the final rituals which are performed by the Hindus. Due to that, the report says that the level, the depth and the width of the river is being decreased years and years. Since this river is an ancient river, this practice is since many of the years. Principles of natural justice is implied under Article 14. The public authorities and government are bound to act reasonable and fair.
So you are contradicting your own stand.
No, the public is not being stopped for immersing the Asti. They have been given an option which is also a holy river. The Pavitra Nadi, which is nearby located, very nearby located toward Atma Shanti Ghat, it flows and it meets same Arabian Sea, and it is also considered as a holy river.
Earlier river is flowing from the north to south. The second river is flowing from south. And don't you think even you would agree that this is a custom in Hindus of visit the Asti in the holy river? Now you are asking, and no law can stop us custom. This is creation, people are visiting the Asti in the river. So how can now you prevent them from doing this thing on the pretext of protecting the environment?
Here the Article 48A, the state is bound to take care and to prevent and to give pollution-free environment to the people, to the citizens.
But what has the state done apart from cleaning?
Cleaning, they have issued the notices to the factories.
Apart from notices and
In case of
cleaning,
air pollution, so you will close all the factories. So is that
for water you want to clean the river. Apart from that, what the government is doing?
Government has taken all the serious actions who are spoiling the water. They have penalized the people who have offering all artificial things. Government are taking all the measures to prevent of getting river Atma Shanti spoiled
But
or polluted.
better solution be taken up for utilizing and recycling that water.
Your Lordship,
By treatment.
Your Lordship, the Article 25 subclause 1 states that where there is a public morality or public or where the health issues are there government is banned, government is duty bound to take care. As I have submitted the report, many of them due to consumption of water are admitted in hospital. I have given the list of last 3 years. Due to consumption of that water, many of them have this waterborne disease due to death. They have died. I have submitted the report.
So apart from asking them to go to south and do Asti, and then you already ready to say.
We will allow the work. The latest report has to become, and the work is in process. The cleaning of the river is in process. As the river is of 201 kilometers flowing, the river flows from 201 kilometers across the Brahmanes. It flows across 6 major districts. So it is a job of years to get clean. The government is in progress to clean the river.